sample is dark powder. Second, rice powder. And fifth, peanut powder. Now, this is which solution? Sodium hydroxide. And this solution? Copper. Now, we first add the water in every sample. Okay.
समबुद्धि
Go there. Okay. Listen. Now, this is sodium. We will add in every This is because it becomes hot. Listen. We have add in first sample. Now we add in the second sample. Okay. Now in the which sample? Coconut. Now in the milk. Okay. Okay. Now 4 samples are ready. Now which solution? 5 samples. Now which sample we have to add now?
कॉपर सल्फेट
Copper sulfate with this 5 solution. If we add this copper sulfate solution, the color of the test tube will change bluish white, bluish violet. Which color?
bluish violet.
We will observe. This is your which solution sample? Turda solution. Okay.
कितना अच्छा कलर बना ना येलो
It means it contains protein. Okay. This sample is rice.
साइड तेरी वजह से वीडियो पूरी खराब हो रही है अगर चोरी करनी है ये भी मस्त
Is it blue? No.
वॉयलेट
This is violet. Okay. Bluish violet. But this is not. Difference is there. Okay.
Yes.
Now in this sample.
Coconut tea.
पूरा ही ब्लू हो गया पूरा ही ब्लू हो
It becomes
नहीं सर नीचे लाइट ब्लू है ऊपर डार्क ब्लू है नहीं सर जितना भी
It means that something hot इसमें it having protein. Now
मिल्क
वो आहे जामुनी सर पर्पल
It is complete having protein. Okay, most of the protein present in the and also in pulses. Okay. Now, this is the sample of
Peanuts.
nothing.
nothing
Okay. How many sample is regarding our test?
5
As past.
Milk.
This one.
milk
This is milk. Okay. Yes.
Second,
And this
pulse.
are related to each other. Okay.
White.
No. Some of this sample. Okay.
वो पहले पड़े
तो कौन सी इसमें प्रोटीन है फिर? इसमें हो सकता है थोड़ा सा मेरे उंगली लगी होगी बट इसमें प्रोटीन नहीं हो सकता ऑयल है नहीं है फैट से ठीक है इसलिए बड़े मिल्क में और दाल में प्रोटीन रहेगा यानी रहेगा और सबसे ज्यादा प्रोटीन हमें किसमें दिख रहा है
Milk.
ओके स्टॉप